Listen and choose, okay?
Her bookshelf is tidy.
A or B?
A.
Can you read the sentence again?
Her bookshelf is tidy.
Yeah. How tidy is your bookshelf?
It's very tidy.
Are there many books on your bookshelf?
Yes,
Yes, there are.
yes, there are.
Okay. How about your room? Is your room big or small?
The room is big.
My room is big.
My room is big.
Do you like your room?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Thank you. So the correct answer for this question is? Okay.